In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Steam Hex ID. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. If you don't see it on your desktop, use your system's search bar to find Steam and launch it. Once Steam is open, log into your account securely to reach the Steam homepage. If you're already signed in, you'll land there automatically. Next, look to the top right of the Steam window and click your profile name. A small menu will appear. Choose View My Profile to open your public profile page. This is where we'll grab the link that the Id Finder needs. On your profile page, look near the top right for the Edit Profile button and click it. In the Edit Profile area, scroll until you see the Custom URL section. You'll see your profile URL displayed there. Carefully highlight and copy that URL exactly as it appears. Make sure you include the full address and avoid any extra spaces. Accuracy here matters because the Id Finder uses this link to detect your account. Now open a web browser and run a quick search for a Steam Id Finder, such as Steamid.pro. Use a reputable site and remember, for this process you should not need to sign in anywhere. Pasting your profile URL is enough. On the Id Finder page, find the input field and paste the URL you just copied. Double-check that it matches what you saw in Steam. Click the Lookup or Search button and give the tool a moment to process your profile. It will return several identifiers associated with your account. Look for the entry labeled Hex, sometimes shown as Steamid 64 Hex. This is your Steam Hex ID, commonly used by game servers, mods, and admin tools that require a hexadecimal format. It will appear as a string of letters and numbers without spaces. When you see the Hex ID, copy it exactly. If you plan to use it in a server whitelist or configuration, consider pasting it into a plain text note first to confirm there are no hidden spaces. Keep it somewhere safe and accessible so you don't have to repeat the lookup. Thanks for watching.